Hi everyone, a warm welcome to Laqshya Online Training. I am Gandhi. So today we are discuss about MIT App Inventor. This MIT app is free and open source also, and no need to pay any amount. Even paid app development tools are available to create our own apps. We will use a very friendly tool called MIT App Inventor in this chapter. MIT App Inventor is a visual programming environment that allows everyone, even children like you, to build app for Android and iOS, smartphone and tablets. MIT App Inventor is a user-friendly, block-based integrated development environment designed by Google in conjunction with a group of web experts at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA. With this tool, apps can be developed without knowing any coding or programming language. Means you no need to do any coding or programming. So this is a block based integrated development environment. Means you have to use some blocks. Okay. And this software you can easily available in web browser. Okay. Means this is a cloud based tool. Means you no need to install in your computer. Your browser, in your browser only you have to do, just you have to log in with your Gmail ID. That's it. Okay, so let we start this project first. So what we will do, first we go to the browser, open your browser, then you just write MIT. You see here MIT App Inventor. Now you just click here. Once you click here, now you see MIT App Inventor. You just click here. Once you click here, you see here left side create apps. So in this create apps, in this button you have to click it. Once you click it, you see some Gmail IDs are available. Okay, some Gmail IDs are already logged in, like these two are logged in. So I just choose any one of them. So I just click second one, luxcti@gmail.com. That I have to use it. So I click here, and now you see, yes, now you see here project name already. I just click here once. Once I click here, you see this is the dashboard and here animal size. Okay, if I click here and just click it, you see this project I have done. This one, this is your book project. Whatever the example shown in your book, that project only, this one. Okay, so this project again I will do, and I will show in practical. Okay, show you as a practical so you can understand very easily. So what we will do, we just go back, otherwise you click here also, no issue. Project, now you start new project. Okay, once you click here start new project, means this is your app name also. So I just write picture size. Once I write picture size, then no need to change this thing, default, intermediate, beginner, whatever. So default you just leave it this thing, and okay, press. Picture size already exist there, said that this picture name you are using 2-3 times, so you can change it. So I just write image size. Okay, so I write here image size. Okay, now you see here, this is the screen, this is your Android phone, because you are going to generate or you can create a app. So that's why this is the mobile app where you can use your apps. You can create your app and you can install in your computer, sorry, in your mobile also. Okay, so let we start and create a small project or small app. Okay, first what we have to do, we just drag this here in your left side, see image, just drag it. So this is your image, and then you take two button also. This is the one and this one is two buttons we have. Now you click here. Once you click here, after that you sorry, here you just click here height. So you just give 100. Okay, So 100 pixel height, and width also you can mention something 100. So both width and height both should be 100 I give here. Okay, now you see this is the area. Now what I have to do, this image one, select it, and you go down. After that, here you see upload picture media. So click here and you select a picture. Okay, any picture. So I just choose one of picture from here. So this picture I select, open it, and okay. So now the picture is here. This is uploaded, but it will not show right now. It will show once you here you see picture and select the picture. Okay, name and okay. Now it will show you the picture. Now you see here. After that, you change this image name also, rename it. I just write the name leaves. You can give any name, no issue. And now the text for button 1, so this name also I have to change. These names are when I change here but not reflect here. Okay, now you see, rename it. So these this name, why we are changing, because these all are used in your block based coding, that time we have to use. So that's why I mentioned that button name. So here I just write grow. Here you see grow. So still not change, no issue. Again you click button 2, rename it shrink shrink. Okay, now the label you have to change. Okay, so how you have to change the label name, that comes here only, appearance. Go down and you see here text. So here you just write down grow. Now here you just name grow, automatically that this thing change, but I want to change this one should be shrink. This one should be shrink. Okay, second button, and first one should be grow, as we know. So this two button we created and changed the name, and the image name also we changed. Now what we have to do, now we just go to the block area where we have to write the code, block codes. Not write, we just drag it. So how this will happen, here you see at the corner right side, top of the corner, block. So you click here, and now here you have to write down your codes. So how? So now you just scroll it, and here you see screen. In screen, what are the object we have? Leaves, grow, and shrink. Grow and shrink, these two are buttons, and leaves, this is a image. So now you grow, click on grow button. After that, you see here when grow click. So you just drag it here. Once you drag it here, after that you go to leave and select. You can go down and you see here set leave height. Okay, you select that one, just drag it here. Again you go here and again you drag it here. Okay, now you change it and go down width. Here I just give width, height, leaves, that is done. Now again we go to the math and we select that this one +1, because we have to increase the size. Okay, width size we have to increase. So I just drag it here, and again math we go, and -1 also we need. These two things we need. Okay, no need for here, because this one will be growing the size. So minus thing we are not going to use, just delete this one. Again you go to math and drag this +1 only. Now what object we have to drag it here? Go here and leave, and you just drag this one, height or width. So you just drag this one only and place it here, and height here, width we have written. So means mention here we mention width, so you have to select width only. Again you go leave, again you drag it this one here only, leave and height, and now just go math and drag this one. Again you go and drag this one and give 30. 30 means it will increase by 30 pixel. Okay, let it be like that only. And then go to the shrink button. Again you drag this one, and now you no need to again drag from maths and again drag from leaves. No need that blocks. You just right click and copy this one and paste. Drag it here, again copy and paste it here, and keep it after this one, width and height. Okay, and then uh leave these all are the image name. These things are okay, but this plus symbol we don't want. So what we will do this time, we have to go to this math block and drag this one. You drag here and leave will become here, and this one also. Right click, copy, or you can directly duplicate. So this duplicate, actually I click here whole body and duplicate it. Now you see this will come. Okay, and I just delete this one and move it here and give, this is already done, 30. Now you just leave this one, delete this one also you delete, and keep it here like that. This one also you keep it here, and you take this variable and drag it, keep it 30, that's it, and delete this one. Okay, so the coding is over now and our project is ready now. Just go to the designer part. Now your application is ready. Now what we have to do, we go build, no, we have to first AI comparison. Here we have to go, and this will work in my mobile phone or not, that thing we have to do. Okay, so that thing how we will do. Now I click here AI comparison. Once I click here, you see here this connect to comparison. Okay, now you see here, this is the QR code, and with the help of this QR code, what I have to do, I just scan it. So how this will possible, that will I will show you after some time. Now I have to save this project. Now I just save this project. Once I save this project, now in my mobile, what I have to do, I just click here Play Store. Once I click here Play Store, now here in search I have to write MIT, and you see here MIT AI 2 companion app. You have to click here. Once you click here, here you see MIT AI 2 companion. This you have to install. Okay. So it will 18 MB. So it will take 1 minute, and once it will install, after that what we have to do, I will show you. Now you see MIT AI 2 companion app is installed. Now we just open this app. Once we open this app, just continue with Wi-Fi, and now we just go to our PC and AI connect, and here you click connect and AI companion. Then this QR code is coming. Now scan. Now you open your mobile phone, that mobile application, you just open it and scan QR code. Now you see this scan it, and now just a minute, you see here it's loading. Now you see image size progress bar is loading. Okay, Now you see, now in my screen here, the in my mobile, you see the application is coming. Okay, now you just grow. Once you click grow, it will grow and shrink. It will shrink your image. Understand? So like that you have to use your application. You can use your application.